everybody, thank you so much for stopping by to this video. Today my video is going to be an unboxing slash try on slash review of my July IPSY bag. I can't believe it's already July. I know everybody says that, but really, it's flying. Okay, so the bag itself is pretty cute. It's not my favorite per se, but I don't hate it either. It's, you know, this like jungle print with the leaves and a nice coral color. I'm loving the coral. This jungle print's all the rage right now, so I do like that. I do like how the top is kind of curved as well. So let's get into the products. I have two products that I can't really try on for you, so I'm going to go over those first. Well, I guess I could try this one on. The first one is this Hempz Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Lotion. And I have to say, this smells like tropical paradise in a bottle. I don't know if anybody's been to Hawaii or even Disneyland, but it smells like a Dole Whip, like pineapple. It smells like pineapple, which is what a Dole Whip in, you know, the Dole factory in Hawaii sells. It smells really good, but it also does have that hint of melon in it. Like, it's not just straight pineapple. Oh my gosh. I think if I could drench my body in this, I would. It smells so good. I haven't tried any Hempz products before, but I've heard really good things, and so far I'm liking it. It's just a lotion, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, the next products I'm really kind of confused by, and it's these two sleeping masks. I don't really know this brand. It's BRTC. BRTC, I've never heard of them, but one of the masks, the orange one is a vitalizer sleeping mask, and the blue one is a pore tightening sleeping mask. So obviously I don't want to take these off and try them on right now, because once you open this, there's no going back. But I'm assuming that the vitalizer is to make your skin revitalized, make it more energized, look better, healthier, and the pore tightening is supposed to tighten your pores. And the like ingredients and instructions are around here, and I'm finding it really hard to read and find the directions. Okay, there it is. Directions. Use in the evening after cleansing. Massage adequate amount over face and wash off in the morning. I've never used a mask that you use when you sleep before. I usually just moisturize and maybe do some eye cream or something like that. But it's going to be interesting to try this. I mean, let me know if you guys have even heard of this brand or tried anything like this, because I'm always a little skeptical when it comes to putting things on my face, so I would love your opinion. Okay, I zoomed you in just a little bit closer because now we're getting into the makeup that I can actually try on for you. Well, this first one I'm actually not going to try it on just because I know that I like it already. I got a Benefit Roller Lash, and I've had plenty of these, so I know that I like this mascara. I don't want to open this because once you open it, then it starts to dry out, and I'm not going to use it in time, so I don't want this to go to waste. So I'm not going to do this right now. I do really like the bristles on this one, and it really does lengthen and curl your lashes really well. I would highly suggest trying this mascara. Okay, the next two I can try on. The first one is Phase Zero Makeup. This is a blush in Cotton Candy. So I'm assuming it's going to be light pink. Let's open this up. Okay, it comes in a nice square package. I like this. It is a very bright pink. I have a feeling that this is not going to show up. That's just my feeling when I get the hair out of my face. And I'm going to try one side with a Firma blush brush, which I got in another IPSY bag. I'm going to try this one on this side, and the other side I'm going to try a Sonia Kashuk powder brush. So I'm just going to try. It's got a lot of dust. A lot of dust. I saw dust fly up, and then I saw dust fall. And dust when you do that too. Well, you can see it more than I thought you could. There's no shimmer to it whatsoever. Different brush. Absolutely no shimmer. I don't know if we can see that. Like, I'm getting a lot on here. Whoa! Oh my gosh, this is so dusty. Okay, I don't like this. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I don't like this. When it's so chalky and so dusty, like it's everywhere. It's in the air. When you put your brush into it, it's when you brush your face with it, it's there. There's so much little crumbly pieces at the bottom of this. And just from a very quick first assumption, I feel like this is kind of like all or nothing. Like, I put it in with, you know, I feel like this is really kind of all or nothing. Like, I got a little bit on and you could barely see it, and then I got a ton on and then you could really see it, but it was too much, so then when you try to blend it out and buff it in and wipe it away, it takes it all away. So I feel like there's really no good middle ground with this. It's like either nothing or bam, a lot. So I don't know, I'll keep using it. Obviously I'm not going to let it go to waste, but I feel like if you like really want barely anything at all, then that would be a good way for you to go. Last but not least, I have an eyeshadow from the Balm Cosmetics. This is What's the Tea? And it is a nice little brown shade. And I'm actually kind of disappointed in this because I have had other single eyeshadows from the Balm Cosmetics and it was the whole thing. It gave me a lot, and this is half of the normal amount that I would get. So, I mean, it looks like a cup of tea, so I get it, but it's still not as much as they normally would give me. I feel like this is a perfect crease shade and a transition shade. I feel like this is what a lot of people go to. So I'm going to take this Tetris brush from the last IPSY, and I'm going to put this in my crease and see how that shows up in my crease. Oops, I just dropped it on my hand, and I hope you can see that. I mean, that's pretty dang good just for a quick brush with it. So let me put my brush in here. So this one is very chalky too, but it doesn't have the dust flying up that the brush did. I mean, it's in the pan, but it's not flying up, if that makes sense. I have nothing on my eyelids. They're not even primed, so this is just going straight onto skin. So that could definitely play a factor, but eyeshadow still works with no primer. It's just different. I mean, that's not that bad. Like I said, I think that's a really good, just soft brown that's gonna look really good in anybody's crease. I think that's really nice. I really like this. I'm just gonna see how much it can build up and how dark it can get, so I'm just gonna kind of go ham right now. I'm just gonna see how dark it can get right here. This works really well. I think if you would just add like a simple shimmer on the lid, I think this would look really nice. I like it. Those are my products from my July IPSY. I would definitely recommend this Hempz lotion and the eyeshadow and the Roller Lash mascara, even though I didn't try it on for you. They're all really good, especially this eyeshadow. I'm really excited about this. I know I will use it a lot. If you're looking for a really just warm toned brown that can go in the crease and transition, I think this is a really big winner. Impressed at all with this blush from Phase Zero Makeup. It is just like, for how much it makes a cloud of makeup, it just does nothing. So I'm actually going to try to swatch it for you on my hand to show you the difference of putting it on my face So I did a pretty good swatch there. Like, you can see it here, but this is what I kind of meant when I said all or nothing. Like, you have to put this much on for it to show up, and if you're just going to, like, it's gone. Just not impressed by this blush. I think, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have more coming up, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check back often. I'm going to do more IPSYs, and I have a few ideas coming at you very soon, so I hope that you guys stick around, and I'll see you then.